A couple of verses from John 6. Jesus replied to them, I am the bread of life. The one who comes to me will never be hungry, and the one who believes in me will never be thirsty. For I have come down from heaven, not to do my own will, but to do the will of him who sent me. I am the bread of life. For my flesh is true spiritual food, and my blood is true spiritual drink. He who eats my flesh and drink my blood remains in me, and I in him. The Word was made flesh. Now the Word can use all kinds of comparisons to explain himself. For example, I am the bread of life. I am the light. Or I am the water of life. Or I am the way, the truth, and the life. Look past Jesus as a mere fleshly human from 2000 years ago, but see Jesus not only as flesh and blood, but also out of God as the Word spoken into the womb of Mary and came forth out of death by the same Spirit Word. The Word, born into the body that was prepared for him, but from out of the Spirit realm of the heavens, not the dust of the earthly. The Jesus, flesh tent dwelling, is the Word made flesh. When we believe His Word and cling to His Word with our whole heart, then we receive His life by the same Spirit that works in us. Think about it. We will receive the same glorified body as Jesus. We will be like Him in spirit, soul, and body. Philippians 3 verse 20 to 21. But we are a colony of heaven on earth. As we cling tightly to our life giver, the Lord Jesus Christ, who will transform our humble bodies and transfigure us into the identical likeness of His glorified body. And using His matchless power, He continually subdue everything to Himself.